I have some easy to make Christmas DIYs just for you. I did these with a sage green and white theme, which looks so elegant all winter long. I've been doing a lot of dupes lately, but the crafts today are just me freestyling and seeing what I can come up with using Dollar Tree and Target dollar spot supplies. So let's get started on the first craft. I found this star at Dollar Tree. I have this sage green paint, so let's give it a coat of that. Today I'm joining some talented friends and we're all doing Christmas crafts so you can get lots of inspiration on the playlist, which I will link in the description box below. If you're new here, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. My name is Maria, and my passion is getting creative in your home. I share weekly home decor inspiration in the form of crafts and other home decor, and I love using Dollar Tree items so that my DIYs are budget friendly. If you're as obsessed with Dollar Tree as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you can be part of the Artsy Cupcake crew. I found this wooden sign in the Target dollar spot. It has two different sides and came with some vinyl pieces that you can stick onto the sign. I think our sage green star would look really nice against this wood grain. I added a few foam stickers to lift the star just slightly off the wooden backing. I want to do a layered type looking piece, so let's see what else I can find in my craft stash. I think these bells will look so pretty on our sign. These came out for Thanksgiving, so they do have an orange and brown ribbon. Let's remove the top part to get rid of that fall themed bow and the round door hanger. Once I cut them off the door holder, the bells were all separated. I want to make sure that those bells stay put on our new sign, so I sewed them together. Then I looped a piece of twine through the hole at the top of the star, and I tied all those bells in place. We'll cover all of that up at the top with a bright white bow to finish this off. For this next sign, you can use an old picture frame, or you could use a canvas frame by removing the canvas from those staples and then painting the wooden frame like I did with this one. I'm liking the idea of tiering and using layers to add dimension to our signs, so we will be keeping that in mind for this sign too. For the backing, you'll need some foam core cut to the size of your frame. Once you have that backing cut to size, then it's time to decorate it. You could paint it a solid color, or use a piece of contact paper, or even some leftover wallpaper or wrapping paper. Remember that vinyl contact paper that came with my wooden sign in that last craft? Well, I think that will fit perfectly over my piece of foam core. I trimmed the corners so the overhang would fold over the corners of the foam core more easily. I found this craft paper gift box at Dollar Tree and we'll be using the lid for the next part. I gave it a coat of white paint and then I created a printable for the top, which is a 4-inch circle. I did add a very fine line to use as a guide for cutting out the circle. After attaching that, I'm going to use some greenery around the round 3-dimensional area. You could use any greenery for this part, maybe some garland picks or even eucalyptus leaves. I had this greenery from a set of fake succulents that I had picked up on Amazon. I wasn't sure how to use this, so it's just been sitting in my craft closet, but I think it'll look really nice on this project, so I'm excited to finally use it. I added a few dots of glue to secure this in place. I thought something was missing and I had this roll of pearls. That sounds so fancy. I mean, they're not real pearls or anything, but I had picked these up on Amazon and thought a few of these along the frame would dress this sign up. You could also use these 3-dimensional stickers from Dollar Tree. They come in lots of different colors. I've been staring at these 3 cubes stacked up in my office, visualizing what I want to turn them into. The bottom 2 boxes are actually from one little drawer, but I separated the pieces to get 2 slightly different sized wooden boxes. The top one is a solid wooden square. It was originally a natural wood color, but I had painted it for a project last year. You can find all those items in the craft section at Dollar Tree. We'll start by attaching these pieces and then giving them a coat of white paint. I created a plaid scarf for our snowman. I just printed this onto plain paper and trimmed it out. I used part of a microfiber cloth to get the trim on the edges of the scarf. Oh, and I'll have this printable along with the round one from that other craft in the description box below. You could also find it on artsycupcake.com. I added a few buttons for the eyes and on the front of the snowman. He needs a cute little face, which I created with a black Sharpie and an orange paint pen by Deco Art. I cut the scarf and then wrapped it and glued it in place. I hope you were inspired to make one of these projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas every week. And if you want to see even more Christmas crafts, then check out that Christmas playlist in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys so much, and I hope you have a creative day. Bye!